This is a journal that has a bird, you know, real on the front of it. It's a real hard core on the front where I was able to put like a print to it. Has a really pretty tassel on it with beads and crochet lace, and this is a piece of that antique velvet fabric. This has 4 signatures in it. Really pretty laces, all almost on all the pages. And where I attached the ribbon, it's all underneath, going all the way across. So I also add some of this decorative trim on it to reinforce and make it, you know, tighter, more stronger. As an area you can take out if you'd like to add your photo, or a place for you to have some hidden places. This is a corner of an antique handkerchief. It's a postcard that I got. Lots of, you know, elements that you can write on. This book I thought was so fun on adding all the different lace elements to it. And this is actually a picture of an antique glove, crochet glove that I have. And on the background I have some antique doily type or dresser scarves or something. That's some of the images of it. It's another postcard. It's an envelope. It's got several different types of pages in it. Another postcard on another envelope. Spot back here. Add things. This opens. Tags. Another piece of a handkerchief. All of these, you know, you can come out and put your photos in, or secretive, you know, writing in the back. Same thing with this one. Love this lace. I absolutely love that lace. Some vellum images. This was a painting that I bought and I really liked, that I got at a antique place, and I really liked the image, so I copied it on vellum and did a little stitching, you know, piece to make it pretty. Another lacy decorative. Made a pocket. Or this is just some more lacy decorative pieces to it. A little book or some journaling. All of these have, you know, a lot of coffee or tea dyed. Just a decorative element. Same here. Some more tags. This is a copy of some antique pillowcases that I had. More tags. More spaces. Another decorative element. Tags. Ooh. Another space. And that's it. You can see there's 4 signatures to it.